All right, I'm putting a board up here with screws. That is 2 foot, which is the width of the staircase. And I'll put another one there. That way I can hang these onto it. Now, in this place, don't have a speed square. What we're going to end up doing is carrying this on through 1.5 inches and then square down. So what I did was carry this top piece all the way through so I can go underneath that. And I need to go underneath it that 1.5 inches. So I went 1.5 inches to here, down that line that I've marked. And then I marked it this way, square. So, let's double check that. Yeah. Now I'm going to do the same with that one. Cut it off. And then we'll put them up. I think I'm going to swap this one to the wall because there's a crack on this side in the grain of the wood. So if I put it over there, it won't have any movement because I'll be fastened to the wall. Okay. Yeah, probably gonna have to get my cameraman to help me. So with my help of my cameraman and wing guy, Clay, we put both of these up, and I'm gonna put the steps in start at the bottom, right there, and I'll mark it, and then I'll screw it there. I'll have to probably take a drill and drill at an angle here a few places so it'll stay, not move. But we've got a bunch of steps to cut. And here we go.